Yeah, hello guys. Do you know how you can get the sound effects? Do you know to use it? Today, I want to show you how you can use it and how you can get it. You make sure you follow me. Let's start. The first of all, you come in Play Store. You open Play Store. After open it, you search the name My Instance. My Instance. Do you see? Guys, do you see the lady ones? This one. Do you see? My Instance. Do you see it? So, you install it. After install it, you open it. You see, by instance, after opening it, are you seeing? This is the sound effects, or these ones are the sound effects. Are you listening? Guys, make sure you are the one of the subscribers. Okay. So you download whatever you want. Click on it. For example, this one. This one. You click here on it. You scroll down. You will see the word download MP3. You click on it. Yeah, good job. The next, you come here. You open the app CapCut or UCap or InShot. So let me use UCut. You can open it. The next, guys, do you see the plus mark? You click on a plus mark. The next, new project. You select the video whatever you wanted to use. Select the video which you want to edit. Guys, let me use this one. So guys, I'm going to cut the video. You see, let me play it. It is a long video, but I want to cut. I need the small one. You see, yeah. Click here and then click here. So guys, I'm going to put that sound effects. Did you see the word music? Do you see here? Music. You click on music. After music, you are going to do what? You are going to search your sound effect which you want to use. Let me use this one.
Jesus is Lord.
You see, you can listen. After listening, you can click on use. Do you see the word use? Here. Do you see here? You click here. Yeah. Listen, guys, listen.
Jesus is Lord.
Are you listening? Guys, I think we are together.
Jesus is Lord.
If you want to add another one, also come here on music, click on it. You choose other one. If you want, you can put the music You can also put your audio, your voice record, but today we are going to use the sound effects. It's good. It's good for content creators. Let me use this one.
Oh, no, 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 no. Jesus is Lord. Oh, no, 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 no.
Guys, I think we are together. Make sure you follow. Make sure you like it. Make sure you comment. Make sure you share. Guys, I think I know you need it. I know. You see? Yeah, guys, I think we are together. If you want, you can increase or decrease the volume. Just so, guys, I think we are together. You can save it. Yeah, if you want, you can put the speed. You can put what I will show you everything about edit video. Let me save it. Wait for the package. Okay. Guys, you can ask me any question you want to know. You wait any seconds. I must wait.
Bye bye, boy bye, bye bye. It's over again. Bye bye, I'm taking what's mine.
I don't care about my language, but I'm going to write it. You will see step by step. Guys, make sure you follow me. Make sure you share. Make sure you comment. You can write your
Okay, so just get out your phone and check how much time you spend on social media every week. If it's between 3 to 15 hours, that's a lot of time that could be put to better use. But here's the thing, you don't need to stop scrolling at all, because with Chili, you can turn it into something worthwhile. So how does it work? Just download the app, get yourself a pair of digital glasses, and enjoy the feed and unlock cool rewards. So stop wasting time on outdated apps. Head to the App Store and make your time count with Chili.
guys. Now we can play it. Do you see? Now we can play it.
Followers and like Tick Tracker.
Jesus is Lord.
Install and go.
Oh, no, 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 no.
You see? Guys, now I think it's okay. It's very easy. It's not difficult. It's very easy, very easy. Okay, guys, thanks for your job.
No.